Hey guys, you're watching Fusion Studios and this is our first look on Samsung's One UI 3.
Hey, are you ready? Count 1, 2, 3, strut!
One UI 3 takes the digital experience to the next level. It's ready to delight users with a refined design and empower them with enhanced customization. Our latest UI mixes style and function. With its fluid design, you'll feel the difference right at your fingertips. Comfort and efficiency were our top priorities. Take a look. The new design has so many enhanced visual effects. It allows you to focus on the task at hand and put your eyes at ease. The lock screen now comes with new widgets. You can see more without even unlocking the phone. Swipe open and your home screen can be personalized, right down to the level of widget transparency. Message notifications are grouped together at the top for faster, easier access. Flip between music apps. Turn frequently used functions on and off quickly, and focus on your contents while scrolling through. Transferring data from your old device can be a chore. Simply connect, select, and the rest of your new device setup is easy. One UI 3 totally transforms the mobile experience across the Galaxy devices. One UI 3 makes you smile with dynamic images that change every time you unlock it. And it keeps bringing you joy with a camera to capture the moments that matter with One UI 3's AI-based support. One UI 3 will manage your favorites easily through the new gallery. It even handles low-resolution photos, like the old ones on your social media feed. One UI 3 takes your communications a step further. Add emojis and stickers while you type, or customize your calling screen with photos and videos. Need some downtime? Just you and your game? We got you. Your device blocks calls and messages and manages resources for optimal gaming conditions. Get totally into your game and take it next level. One UI 3 provides seamless continuity between phone, tablet, and computer. Sync Samsung reminders with Microsoft and manage them on apps like To Do, Outlook, and Teams. Start a project from your phone and finish up on a tablet or PC. One UI 3 will analyze usage patterns to help you better manage your digital habits, and your phone can stay in optimal condition through device care. Simple, elegant, and easy to navigate. A pleasure to use and customizable. One UI 3, delivering delightful experiences. Designed by you.
Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe and ring the bell button to get updated with the latest tech news.